Hello, dear friends. Come close, don't hide. A funny tale begins with pride. The morning sun shines soft and sweet, and Bluey skips with speedy feet. Her ears bounce high, her tail swings wide. She hears a laugh from grass beside. She turns around, oh what a sight! A banana walks in golden light. It has two legs, it waves its hands, it wears big glasses, oh so grand. Its peel shines bright, its smile feels true, it shouts, hello, I'll dance with you. Bluey gasps loud, her eyes grow round, this silly fruit makes joyful sound. It wiggles left, it wiggles right, its glasses gleam in morning light. They spin together on the sand, the banana claps with shaky hand. Bluey barks bright, her paws tap fast, their silly dance feels built to last. The children cheer, the breeze sings clear, the world leans close, the fun feels near. And now, dear friends, a call to you, for more bright tales and laughter too. So don't miss out, come join the fun, like this video and subscribe my channel, everyone. The banana jumps, it spins around, its glasses wobble, almost fall down. Bluey leaps quick, she catches tight, she saves the frames, they fit just right. They both laugh loud, their giggles flow, their happy steps make flowers grow. They chase, they twirl, they roll, they play, the morning turns to shining day. But oh! The peel begins to slide, the banana slips, it cannot hide. Bluey gasps once, then lends a paw, she lifts it up without a flaw. The silly fruit now bows with cheer, thanks, Bluey dear, for helping here. They share a hug, the moment bright, their friendship sparkles in the light. The sun drifts low, the breeze turns mild, the clouds paint pink, the sky feels styled. They sit to rest, their hearts feel free, the world hums soft like melody. The banana waves, its glasses shine, it smiles so wide, a friend divine. Bluey leans close, her eyes glow true, she whispers soft, I'm glad for you. So friends who watch from near and far, you shine as bright as morning star. Come back again for stories new, Bluey shares her laughter with you.